Necessity is the mother of invention. Since the evolvement of mankind, inventions have been the most explored activity of human beings. Among varied sectors, inventions in the field of medical devices have the greatest impact on human lives. A company with sincere, dedicated efforts to serve humanity through its constant positive attitude and continuous innovations stands tall since 2009. Veritas Bioventions. Today, Veritas Bioventions has taken lead in manufacturing high-tech permanent implantable devices to be used during minimally invasive treatment with a prolific vision and mission to serve society. Veritas Bioventions is renowned world over for its products like Endorser CRCO, a cobalt chromium coronary stent system. The stent carries special features like hybrid cell design. This minimizes edge injury and preserves side branch access. Features like high flexibility, high radial strength with thinner struts prevents stent recoil. Delivery system with PTFE coating provides excellent pushability. A design with low crimp and entry profile with high flexibility of delivery system. Everolimus and Sirolimus drug-eluting coronary stent system. An innovative experience with drugs. Veritas brands Innovo and Sinew has made their quality mark in the market since inception. Both these stents uses Endorser CRCO platform. These new generation drug-coated stents are with optimum blend of biodegradable polymers and superior strength of Everolimus and Sirolimus drug, coated at lower concentration. The drug concentration is optimized and programmed for release in a controlled fashion. A complete solution for all interventions with drug-eluting stent system. Veritas Bioventions dental implants are company's goodwill. Veritas manufactures two types of implants. Vancor dental implant is designed with conical connection to ensure secure connection with abutment and has SLA surface with dual threads and apical taper, which enables easy placement of the implant into osteotomy. Vancor XP dental implant is designed with reverse conical neck to preserve cortical bone, which promotes alveolar bone remodeling for immediate placement in freshly extracted sites with features like self-drilling and self-tapping, enabling quick insertion. Vancor prosthetics has wide range of prosthetics like hollow abutment, gingival formers, healing abutments, angled abutment, castable abutment, tie-base abutment, and transfer components. Vancor surgical kit is specially designed to place the implants during the surgery. These kits are designed in two models: hybrid surgical kit and complete surgical kit. Both the kits contain surgical accessories like surgical drills of various lengths and diameters, parallel pins, depth gauge, implant drivers with adjustable torque wrench. The reusable drills are made of high-speed surgical stainless steel with specialized wear resistance, non-corrosive treatment, and are laser marked for easy identification. Proud holder of ISO 9001, ISO 13485 and CE certificate for Vancor dental implant and prosthetics. Veritas Bioventions, with its team of experienced professionals, specialists and clinicians, provides a wide range of courses and events for dental professionals, benefiting them to develop their skills, competence and confidence. Veritas Bioventions, close to your lips, deep in your heart.